It stayed on all day. What stayed on all day? It's my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I absolutely love it. And I'm so excited I'm doing this video because she had a mystery box and I ordered the skincare one. So I am actually going to do a grand unboxing. Now, again, I'm kind of new to this, so just bear with the flaws. So I'm going to take it out of the box. Yay, it came out easily. I actually got a free sample. This is the Magic Elixir. You're supposed to get 2 free samples. I don't know, but, you know, I'll call to get the other one. And now I'm going to open the box. The box is always so pretty. You can use it as a keepsake. And what is in it? Yay! Beautiful paper. It's like you hate to even open it. But, you know, you can certainly save this paper for gifts for later. So now, let's open and see what we have. All right. Okay, I got the Magic Cream, a full size of it. I was actually hoping for the Magic Cream Light, but everybody raves over the Magic Cream. I find it's a little heavy, so I can use it at night. And then I got the Super Radiance Resurfacing Facial. So 99% of the users agree skin feels instantly smoother. So this should be a wonderful thing to use. What else is here? I got the Youth Glow Brightening Color Correcting Glow Primer. I'll be using this. And got a couple more things. What do we have? Wonder Glow. This is a primer. I've been wanting to try this, and this is a nice sample size. And I'm finding sample sizes actually can last a long time. And then we have the Collagen Lip Bath. I really love the Collagen Lip Bath. This is in Walk of No Shame. And I think I have this color already. Or if I have it in a lipstick. And I have it in a lip liner. And it is very pretty. Look at that color. It's very pretty. This will be really nice. The collagen lip baths really do smooth your lips out and give a really nice glow, like the gold that I'm wearing. And then finally, there is the Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. Now, I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm really excited to try it. Apparently, you can use it multiple times. So all I wanted to do tonight, is to do the unboxing of the skincare items. I can't wait to try them and just keep my skin glowing. Thanks for watching.